Hello everybody. Today we're over here in Middlebury picking up a 29-foot Imagine, and we're going to Sacramento, California with it. And I done a walk around on the trailer, and I found a scratch. So I had took pictures and called and to make sure I get the okay. And I got the okay to go ahead and ship it. It's minor, but still, I want to make sure I cover my butt. And here is the scratch I found. I tried to get it off, but it will not come off. I'm gonna get everything laid out and we're gonna start getting hooked up. All right, we got everything laid out. Weight use bars on both sides. We got the brackets, tags, the sign, battery, Milwaukee, my lock, my strap. Now, what I always like to do is after I lay everything out, I always start with my signs. I already put them on, then take my tag and go put it on. It's always best to have a system. And that way you don't leave out nothing, you don't forget nothing. I do it when I hook everything up, and I do it when I unhook everything. So I'm going to put the tag on. I've already got my signs on. Then I'll be coming up to the front, and then I'll start with the battery and then weight distribution bars. There we go. Now, I always like to start with the ground. Put the ground on first. And you always want to make sure you hook the battery up before you hook up to the truck. That way you don't blow fuses. Put a cover on. And we're going to take our strap and put our strap on. Alright, got the battery on. Go ahead and tighten these lug nuts up. Now let's go put the weight distribution bars on. We got the truck backed up, and I'm just gonna lower it down, and till it touches, just a little bit of pressure. Then we're gonna put the weight distribution bars on. Make sure it's all the way in there. Slide it around. Oh, it come out. There we go. Now it's in there. That she ain't going nowhere. Then we'll take our bracket, put Alright, I'm going to take a break. Sorry for the audio, but my new mics can't seem to get to work and cooperate with me. You slide your bracket in, slide this up underneath it, and make those chains level. And you're going to tighten it down. And you don't want to crank it too tight. Got to turn and a half a turn. Alright, we're going to take the chain, put it up here, slide it in, and take your, and when we let down the pressure on it, it will tighten up. If not, then pick it back up and tighten another link. Alright, we got everything hooked up. Had to get another breakaway cable because somebody took the other one. So got everything, all the bars are on. And sorry, I didn't get both bars, but aggravated dealing with the mic issue right now. Got these new mics, trying to make some better audio, and now I gotta figure out how to work them, I reckon. So let's check all these lights out and let's get rolling. Alright, well, over to the truck stop, cooking some supper, and maybe relax a little bit, watch a little TV, get started in the morning. Can you guess what I'm having for supper? Yep, beef stew. We over here in California, we're unloaded. We're just waiting on them to check it in. We've probably been here an hour waiting on them. And I was wanting to break down the fuel. This trip was, what's that? 2,145 miles. I've done another trip like this, and my fuel mileage is less on this one. And the reason being is because I picked this one up on Thursday, and I couldn't kick it off to Monday, so I had plenty of time. So I took my time, got my fuel mileage, filled at the right spots, and this basically took my time to see what I could save. And I spent, the load paid $3,560.70. I spent $741.15 in fuel. Now that's pretty good, but I did take my time. I have, instead of rushing out here, and I think it helped out some in fuel. Probably saved me $100, and that helps out. So that's gonna be all for this video. Hope you like it. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.